visualise my future out here.
Here he is. You're causing a scene, mate.
Hey, who was that?
You.
Me?
Causing a scene.
Never.
Never.
Never heard of her.
Still got it.
Rolly?
Still got it. Still got it. Are you professional, hey? Who are you?
Rob
Mudge.
Rob Mudge.
Little bit of a Sunday session for the boys. Out here at a private road, always. As you can see behind me, it's a perler of a day here in Gold Coast, or if you're a cop, it's a perler of a day in Mexico, which is where we are, on a private road, of course.
A rattle. I don't know where to look when I'm riding. Like looking at the tank and then
at the camera.
Things are happening.
Look at the camera and smile.
I'm smiling. Can you see it in there? Yeah. I'll open up my little grill.
Yeah, boy.
Does it jiggle jiggle?
A little jiggle jiggle.
Is it cold? Wiggle wiggle wiggle. That is the biggest front wheel I've ever seen.
That's 36.
Have a go at it.
36. Huh? 36. 36. Special. They only made it for me. There's no others, cuz. Where? No others. Not even any of the cousins have got it. Only me. One only.
You got the gold flake though?
Sure. That's cash. Cash. All cash.
All cash.
No finance.
What's it sound like? You're on the vlog, mate.
See me?
On the YouTubes?
Yeah.
On the World Wide Web?
Yep. That's what I'm sort of all about, you know.
Whole wrist covered up in ice. Dealership never asked the price. I hit the molly ball with my Dutch. I swear this what I did twice, cuz this what I was made for. And I know that's what I came for. Big stage with the live people. I say so. Actions in the color of the rainbow. That chains on me like Django. Be a long way from my tango. Cause my sister charged for the rainbow. And I'm behind it. Money on me. Take time. I won't stop until I find it. Like my name with diamonds.
He's come to watch the show. He's got a coffee middle of the day.
What's up, man?
Margie's going to skid around me here, surely. one job. Can't even do that.
Just like falls back a little bit.
Hey, Timmy. Go fire, mate.
On fire, yeah.
And he just like hit him.
Pills came, cause this tour don't happen, I feel pain. And the girl with me say she down for life, but she don't even know what's my real name. Just try to get what she came for. And ain't nothing I got safe though, cause when the money go wild, everybody get a piece. But it's looking like I ain't on the payroll. Got a big house made out of Play-Doh, and a plastic crown for my halo. Still a long way from my Taylor, cause my test is charged for them bank rolls. And I'm grinding, money on my mind, and I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name in diamonds, but all these lights are blinding. I wonder, is it worth it? Feel like I'm losing my mind, yeah, remind me.
Don't be afraid of the dark, be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark.